In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Squarespace background color. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website. If you're not already familiar with Squarespace, it's a versatile platform used for building beautiful and powerful websites. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, take a moment to soak in the layout. Then, bring your attention to the Get Started button, usually positioned prominently on the page. Go ahead and click that. Once you've clicked Get Started, you'll be directed to your dashboard. If you're new to this, think of your dashboard as your home base from which all your site edits will be launched. Now, to begin editing your site, locate and click on the Edit Site button. This action will open up the editing environment, allowing you to see your site from an edit-friendly perspective. With the editing layout in front of you, you'll notice that the different sections of your site become highlighted as you navigate through it. For the next step, find the specific section whose background color you'd like to change. As you hover over the section, a pencil icon will appear. This icon is your gateway to customizing that section, so click on it. By clicking the pencil icon, you'll enter an area dedicated to detailed editing of that specific section. Look for the Colors tab. It's an essential feature you'll want to remember. With the Colors tab selected, you'll notice that Squarespace provides a variety of predefined color themes from which you can choose. This catalog of colors is a quick way to give your site a cohesive look with minimal effort. However, if you're feeling creative or want something more personalized, you can also customize the colors within the theme. To do this, use the Color Picker, which provides a broad spectrum of color options. Here, you can play around and explore different shades to find the perfect tone that matches your vision for the site. After you've chosen or customized your desired color theme, the last step is crucial. To ensure your changes take effect on your site, click on the Save button. This action applies your new background color settings and updates the live version of your site. Remember, saving your changes will prevent any accidental loss of your hard work and creativity, and it's always a good moment to preview how the new colors influence the site's overall design and feel. So, there you have it. A simple, step-by-step guide to changing your Squarespace background color. Making these visual adjustments can have a significant impact on how your website is perceived, creating an appealing and professional experience for visitors. Thank you for following along, and happy editing.